A classic reimagined, dripping in creamy pesto goodness, this cheesy beef burger is what they call finger-licking good. With caramelized onions and roasted sweet potato fries, you really won't need cutlery for this one. First things first, the fries. A little tip, sweet potatoes are firmer than regular potatoes, so use a sharp knife. Safely press down, first into halves and then into quarters. Place the fries on a lined oven tray. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and toss them all together. Give them a little room. You don't want them to steam. You want them nice and crispy. For the caramelized onions, we want half-moon shapes, nice and thinly sliced. Lovely! Cook the onion, stirring regularly until softened, about 5 to 6 minutes. Reduce heat to medium and then add the tangy balsamic vinegar, the brown sugar, red wine vinegar, and then mix well. Cook until dark and sticky. In a medium-sized bowl with clean hands, combine the beef mince, fine breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, tomato and herb seasoning, and a pinch of salt. Shape the beef mixture into evenly sized patties, slightly larger than your burger buns. Don't forget to wash your hands after handling raw meat. Once the patties are cooked, transfer them to a lined oven tray and add the smoked cheddar cheese, a fantastic melter with great flavor. Bake the patties until cooked through and the cheese is melted. Spread each burger bun with creamy pesto dressing. Top with a cheesy beef patty, caramelized onions, and mixed salad leaves. Serve with fries. Now just get in there and eat like no one's watching. Enjoy every mouthful. You might need a napkin or 2.